Um, Good afternoon and welcome to the bid opening for RFB 2820 Liquid Bituminous Materials 2026, 2027, and RFB 2822 Quickset Slurry Seal 2026, 2027. This is Jason Washer and I will be opening the bids, and I am here with Karen Hill, and she will be recording the bids on the bid tab, which you should see on your screen if you've joined via Teams. I have 3 hard copy submissions for RFB 2820. And I have 2 hard copy submissions for RFB 2822. I will now start the bid opening, and I will begin with RFB 2820. First bidder is All States Construction Incorporated, DBA Gorman Construction. Okay. Bid one. See the Slurry signature for bidder certification on sexual harassment. For submission of bid is as follows. First category, liquid bituminous material, grade RS-2. Material description is 702-3301. In total price bid per gallon, $3.55. Next section is grade MC-30. Description is 702-20, $6.55 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $6.05 a gallon. Next item, RS-2, material description 702-3101. Emulsion with distributor, $4.45. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.60. Next item is HFRS-2, description 702-3102. Emulsion for distributor, $4.45 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.05 per gallon. Next item, grade is MS-2. Description is 702-3201. Emulsion with distributor, $4.70 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.10 a gallon. Next item, grade HFMS-2. Description 702-3301. Emulsion with distributor, $4.90 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.30 a gallon. Next item for grade is HFMS-2H. Material description is 702-3401. Emulsion with distributor is $4.90 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.30 a gallon. Next item for grade is HFMS-2S. Material description 702-3402. Emulsion with distributor is $4.95 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.35 a gallon. Next item for grade is CRS-2, material description is 702-4101. Emulsion with distributor is $4.70 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix is $4.10 a gallon. Next item for grade is CMS-2, material description 702-4201. Emulsion with distributor, $4.95 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.35 a gallon. Next item for grade is CMS-2H, material description 702-4301. Emulsion with distributor, $4.70 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.10 a gallon. Next item for grade is SS-1, material description 702-3501. Emulsion with distributor, $4.85 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.25 a gallon. Next item for grade is SS-1H, material description 702-3601. Emulsion with distributor, $4.35 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $3.75 a gallon. Next item for grade is CSS-1, material description 702-4401. Emulsion with distributor is $4.85 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.25 a gallon. Next item for grade is CSS-1H, material description 702-4501. Emulsion with distributor, $4.85 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.25 a gallon. Next item for grade is Tap Coat, material description 702-90. Emulsion with distributor, $9 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item for grade is Polymer Modified Asphalt Emulsion, material description 702-6. Emulsion with distributor is $1 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix is $1 a gallon. Plant site is All States Emulsions LLC, 6 Freeman's Bridge Road, Scotia, New York, that's COTIA, 12302. Next item is liquid bituminous material, AEPM. First item is emulsion with distributor. Unit bid price per gallon is $3.05 a gallon. Liquid bituminous material equipment, rental, and labor. And description, mechanized chip spreader. No bid. Per day, $4,595 even. Per week, no bid. Next item description is tandem steel roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column, no bid. Per day, $4,450 even. Per week, no bid. Next item description is rubber tire roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column, no bid. Per day, $4,450 even. Per week, no bid. Next item is the vibratory roller, minimum 66-inch, double drum. First column is no bid. Per day column, $4,450 even. Per week column, no bid. Next item description is vibratory pad foot roller, 15 ton. First column, no bid. Per day column, $4,450 even. Per week column, no bid. Next item description, tandem axle dump truck. First column is no bid. Per day column is no bid. Per week column, no bid. Next item description is rubber tire loader, minimum 2 CY bucket, cubic yards. First column is no bid. Per day column is $4,500 even. Per week is no bid. Next item description is paver, includes operator and screed man. First column is no bid. Per day is $12,250 even. Per week column, no bid. Next item description is pug mill, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator. First column is no bid. Per day column is $5,800 even. Per week column is no bid. Next item description is mixed paper, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator and screed man. First column is no bid. Per day column is no bid. Per week column, no bid. Next item description, mixed paver for liquid asphalt cement foam application, includes operator and screed man, excuse me. First column is no bid. Per day column, no bid. Per week column, no bid. It should be on shoulder widener. Next item description, shoulder widener. First column, no bid. Per day column, no bid. Per week column, no bid. Next item description, price to optionally provide all trucking. Per day column, no bid. Next item description is nuclear density gauge and technician. First column, no bid. Per day column, $2,600 even. Third column, per week, no bid. Next item description is labor flagger. First column is no bid. Per day column is $1,750 even. Per week column, no bid. Next item is skid steer with operator. No minimum orders, 1 day equals 8 hours. Per day column, it looks like it's $4,500 even. For all states. Next submission is from Vestal Asphalt Incorporated. Marty? All right. First item, Vestal Asphalt is liquid bituminous material. Grade description RS-2, material description 702-3301. In total price paid per gallon, $3.50 a gallon. Plant site 201 Stage Road, Vestal, New York 13850. First item under grade is MC-30, material description 702-20, emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is RS-2, material description 702-3101, emulsion with distributor, $2.927 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is HFRS-2, material description 702-3102. Under emulsion with distributor, $3.35 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Under grade MS-2, material description 702-3201, emulsion with distributor, $3.80 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $3.85 a gallon. Under grade HFMS-2, material description 702-3301, emulsion with distributor, $3.85 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $3.90 a gallon. Under grade HFMS-2H, description 702-3401, emulsion with distributor, $3.90 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $3.95 a gallon. Grade FMMS-2S, material description 702-3402, emulsion with distributor, $4.10 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.14 a gallon. Under grade CRS-2, description 702-4101, emulsion with distributor, $2.977 a gallon, $2.97, 7/10 of a gallon. Sorry. And emulsion for cold mix is no bid. Grade CMS-2, material description 702-4201, emulsion with distributor, $3.85 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $3.935 per gallon. Under grade CMS-2H, material description 702-4301, emulsion with distributor, $3.95 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.075 per gallon. Grade for SS-1, material description 702-3501, emulsion with distributor, $3.835 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Under grade SS-1H, material description 702-3601, $3.835 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Grade CSS-1, material description 702-4401, $3.835 per gallon. For emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Grade CSS-1H, material description 702-401, $3.835 per gallon. Under emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Your grade for tack coat, material description 702-90, $9.50 a gallon. Under emulsion for cold mix, no bid. The grade polymer modified asphalt emulsion, material description 702-6, emulsion for distributor, $0.49 a gallon. Under emulsion for cold mix, 59 cents a gallon. Plant site, 201 State Road, Vestal, New York, 13850. Section liquid bituminous material AEPM, item emulsion with distributor, unit price per gallon, $2.40. Liquid bituminous material equipment, rental and labor. Item description, mechanized chip spreader, first column no bid. Price per day, $2,500 even. Price per week, no bid. Under item description, tandem steel roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column is no bid. Per day column is $2,500 even. Per week, no bid. Item description, rubber tire roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column, no bid. Per day column, $2,350. Per week, no bid. The item description, vibratory roller, minimum 66-inch, double drum. First column is no bid. Per day is $2,500 even. Per week, no bid. The item description, vibratory pad foot roller, 15 ton. First column, no bid. Per day column, $2,500 even. Per week column, no bid. Under item description, tandem axle dump truck. First column, no bid. Per day column, $2,200 even. Per week column, no bid. Under item description, rubber tire loader, minimum 2 cubic yard bucket. Under first column, no bid. Per day column, $2,500 even. Per week column, no bid. Under item description, paver, includes operator and screen fan. First column is no bid. Per day column is $3,500. Per week column, no bid. Item description, pug mill, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator. First column, no bid. Per day column, $3,000 even. Per week column, no bid. Item description, mixed paver, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator and screening man. First column, no bid. Per day column, no bid. Per week column, no bid. Item description, mixed paver for liquid asphalt cement foam application, includes operator and screen man. First column, no bid. Per day column, no bid. Per week column, no bid. Item description, shoulder widener. First column, no bid. Per day column, $5,000 even. Per week column, no bid. Item description, price to optionally provide all trucking. Per day column, no bid. Item description, nuclear density gauge and technician. First column, no bid per hour. Per day, no bid. Per week column, no bid. Under item description, labor flagger. First column, no bid. Per day column, $1,100 even. Per week column, no bid. It's bid submission for Bristol Asphalt. Next bid submission is Suit Coat or Sweet Coat? Suit Coat. Suit Coat, thank you. Suit Coat. See it. Works in order. So. All right. First up is liquid bituminous material, grade RS-2, material description 702-3301. Total price bid per gallon, $3.50. Plant site is 20 Fairground Lane, Watkins Glen, New York, 14891. First item under grade is MC-30, material description 702-20. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is RS-2, material description 702-3101. Emulsion with distributor, $3.915 per gallon. Under emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is HFRS-2, material description 702-3102. Emulsion with distributor, $3.915. Emulsion with cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is MS-2, material description 702-3201. Emulsion with distributor, $4.392 per gallon.
Sorry, what was
$4.392 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.492 per gallon. Next item under grade, HFMS-2, material description 702-3301. Emulsion with distributor, $4.392 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.492 per gallon. Next item on the grade, HFMS-2H, material description 702-3401. Emulsion with distributor, $4.392 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.492 per gallon. Next item on the grade is HFMS-2S, material description 702-3402. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, $4.492 per gallon. Next item on the grade is CRS-2, material description 702-4101. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is CMS-2, material description 702-4201. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is CMS-2H, material description 702-4301. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is SS-1, material description 702-3501. Emulsion with distributor is $4.059. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is SS-1H, material description 702-3601. Emulsion with distributor, $4.059 per gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is CSS-1, material description 702-4401. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is CSS-1H, material description 702-4501. Emulsion with distributor, no bid. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is tack coat, material description 702-90. Emulsion with distributor, $9.50 a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Next item under grade is polymer modified asphalt emulsion, material description 702-6. Emulsion with distributor, 30 cents a gallon. Emulsion for cold mix, no bid. Plant site, 20 Fairground Lane, Watkins Glen, New York, 14891. Next, we have liquid bituminous material AEPM. Item emulsion with distributor, unit bid price per gallon, $2.48 per gallon. In total price bid per gallon in words, we don't do that, excuse me. Liquid bituminous material, equipment, rental, and labor. Item description, mechanized chip spreader. First column, no bid. Per day, $2,400 even. Per week, no bid. Next item description, tandem steel roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column, no bid. Per day, $2,400 even. Per week, no bid. Next item, rubber tire roller, 10 to 12 ton. First column, no bid. Per day, $2,200 even. Per week, no bid. Next item description is a vibratory roller, minimum 66-inch double drum. First column, no bid. Per day, $2,500. Per week, no bid. Next item description, vibratory pad foot roller, 15 ton. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item description, tandem axle dump truck. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item description, rubber tire loader, minimum 2 cubic yard bucket. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item is paver, includes operator and screen man. First column, no bid. Per day, $3,500 even. Per week, no bid. Next item description is pug mill, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator. First column, no bid. Day, $2,800 even. Per week, no bid. Next item is mixed paver, minimum 5,000 gallon usage, includes operator and screen man. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item description, mixed paver for liquid asphalt cement foamed application, includes operator and screen man. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item description, shoulder widener. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Price to optionally provide all trucking, no bid. Next item, nuclear density gauge and technician. First column, no bid. Per day, no bid. Per week, no bid. Next item is a labor flagger. First column, no bid. Per day, $1,200 even. Per week, no bid. Submission. RFB 2820. Now begin opening the bids for RFB 2822, quick set slurry 2026-2027. Again, I had 2 hard copy submissions. The First submission is Vestal Asphalt. Works in order. For submission, completed area quantities for C414.01 Slurry Seal. Item 1, 0 to 100 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $8.55. Bid item B, type 3, $8.75. Item 2, 101 to 300 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $3.45. Bid item B, type 3, $3.60. Item number 3, 301 to 500 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $3.35. Bid item B, type 3, $3.50. Item 4, over 500 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $3. Bid item B, type 3, $3.15. For item C407.01, tack coat, $10 per gallon. Additional flagman per day, $1,100 even. Mobilization lump sum, $2,000. Who's the submission? Next submission is Suit Coat. And submission under completed area quantities, C414.01 Slurry Seal, item 1, 0 to 100 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $8.23. Bid item B, type 3, $8.23. Next item 2, 101 to 300 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $4.23. Bid item B, type 3, $4.23. Number 3, 301 to 500 tons per project, $2.48. Bid item A, type 2, excuse me, and bid item B, type 3, $2.48. Item 4, over 500 tons per project. Bid item A, type 2, $2.23. Bid item B, type 3, $2.23. Item C, 407.01, tap go per gallon, $9.25. Additional flagman per day, $1,100 even. Mobilization lump sum, $1,300 even. This concludes the bid opening for RFB 2820, Liquid Bituminous Materials 2026-2027, and RFB 2822, Quickset Slurry Seal to 2026-2027. Bid tabs will be posted to BidNet later today or tomorrow. Thank you and have a great day.